fall head over heels for you today. I have one of the best tips to share with you, so let's get right into it. You want to know how to make a girl smitten with you, right? If she's already interested. Great. But if she's not yet, I'll show you how to change that with a few compliments that are real master keys. The secret, darling, is that complimenting in a genuine and deep way can truly create a special connection. It's not just about making her like you, but about building a real bond. Are you ready to put this into practice and watch the magic happen? Before we start, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, give it a like and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Let me share a secret. Compliments number 1 with you. Complimenting someone goes way beyond just saying nice things. It's about making the person feel like you truly see who they are, and there's a right way to do it, a way that hits deep, right in her subconscious, making her want to be around you, craving every bit of your attention. So I decided to share some solid tricks with you. These are the types of compliments that leave women simply charmed and obsessed with you. Trust me, my friend. Once you start using these tips, you'll see just how easy it is to make her fall for you. But first, an important warning. There are some compliments you should never make seriously. Have you noticed how many shy guys get nervous just at the thought of talking to someone they like? A big fear for many men is being misunderstood with a compliment, which could lead to rejection. They think, what if she doesn't get it? Or what if she takes it the wrong way? And just like that, they fall into the dreaded friend zone, or worse yet, get totally ignored. For example, just complimenting her looks or dropping those drooling emojis on social media. That doesn't cut it, man. If she's not in the same vibe, you'll come across as just another face in the crowd. Now here's the secret. The power of compliments is in the details. It's about noticing the little things she likes. Got it. If she changed up her look, cut her hair, or put on a new shade of lipstick, and you give her a sincere compliment saying, "You noticed, and it looks good on her," that's your move. Right there, it's like saying, "Hey, I noticed the little changes you make and you're looking amazing." And there's more notice when a girl picks her outfit carefully, especially when she's going out with you. That's a clear sign. She's interested. If she's putting extra thought into her look with new sneakers or a different pair of earrings, she wants to impress you. Believe me, she'll be thrilled if you notice those details. Number 2, which is simply compliments. Number 2. Amazing. The point is to truly win someone over. You need to go beyond surface-level compliments. You have to show that you notice the details, the little gestures that makes all the difference. Complimenting someone's personality is like showing that you really see them. And that's powerful, my friend, because when you praise something beyond looks, it's like saying, "I see who you truly are." And that's what attracts me. Just imagine if you compliment her calm nature, her self-control, or her focus. It shows you value qualities that go beyond the surface, or even her tone of voice. It's like you're paying attention to every detail. And that's incredible. And look, when you praise these personality traits, you're showing that you're different from all the other guys out there. Most only focus on appearance and forget that people are so much more than that. Pay attention to her way of being. Whether she's more laid back or likes to go out and compliment those things, it shows that you're genuinely interested in who she is on the inside, not just in her looks. Number 3, which compliments number 3, is amazing when you praise the way she is, her behaviors, or even the traits you'd love for her to embody, like saying, "You're so kind. I love how fun and open-minded you are." And the interesting thing is, when you make this kind of compliment, she starts to behave exactly how you complimented her. It's like you're planting a little seed in her mind and she begins to act accordingly. This is true connection, my friend. You know why it's so powerful? Because there's emotion involved in these compliments. Women are moved by emotions, and the more you stir those feelings, the more interested she'll become in you. So if you want to stand out from other guys, use these emotional compliments. They're a direct shortcut to her heart. And believe me, my friend, once you learn how to touch her emotions, she'll become completely drawn to you. It'll feel like you're her dream guy. Number 4. Compliments. Number 4. Appreciate her passions and interests. When you compliment the things she loves to do, like hobbies, personal projects, or even her work, you show that you value who she is beyond just her appearance, saying something like, "I really admire how dedicated you are to what you do." or it's amazing how passionately you talk about what you love, goes far beyond surface-level compliments. This shows you pay attention to what makes her happy and that you support her achievements by recognizing what drives her. You become someone who genuinely cares about her as a person, not just as an object of desire. Plus, by valuing her passions, you show a true interest in what's important to her, creating a deeper connection. This type of compliment makes her feel understood and encouraged to share more about herself, opening the door for meaningful conversations. And the more she opens up, the more you two connect on an emotional level, which is essential for strengthening the relationship. Fifth compliment: praise her progress and achievements. A powerful way to build connection is by recognizing her personal progress and victories, big or small. Saying something like, "I really admire how you're always pushing to be better," or "You're doing so well with this." It's inspiring, can make her feel valued and supported. This kind of compliment is meaningful because it shows you notice her efforts, something that often goes unrecognized. Plus, she'll feel safe and appreciated by you, which strengthens your bond even more when you celebrate her accomplishments. No matter how small, you're reinforcing her self-esteem and showing her that you're by her side in her growth journey. This creates an environment of mutual encouragement where she feels that you believe in her potential. Complimenting her successes also makes her feel more confident and motivated to keep developing, knowing she has your unconditional support. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and above all, it helps. If so, support us by subscribing to our channel, give us a like, and leave us any experiences in the comments. See you in the next video.